This is the Sound You Like Baby Comfort Light. I'm going to run through the buttons on your right hand side. The top button is volume up and the bottom button is your volume down. The middle button is the voice record option where you can sing a lullaby, read a nursery rhyme, or even any noises from around the home which will help settle your baby. This will last for 30 minutes, and after that 30 minutes, if your baby then starts to cry again, it will reactivate itself and play again. I'm now going to run through the buttons on your left hand side. The top button is the voice playback option, which I'd already shown you the button on this side, and here's a demonstration.
Time for bed, sleep tight, night night.
The middle button is the light only option, and again, same thing, if your baby cries, after the 30 minutes it will then kick in again. And the bottom button is your music which has been saved to the SD card. On the back of the Sound You Like is the off switch. If you move that to the right, it's the full function of the product, and to the left is Bluetooth only. You then have the USB port where you can plug your charger in, and this will keep its charge for 15 hours. The microphone is here, and the micro SD card goes in here with your saved music. And this is the light which will show when it's charging, it's red, and it will turn to green once it's fully charged. Included with the Sound You Like Baby Comfort Light is your user manual, the USB rechargeable cable, and your micro SD adapter. I'm now going to demonstrate the Bluetooth option. Turn the button to the left, and on your mobile phone device you want your Bluetooth switched on, and the Sound You Like will appear and then connect, and then you can play your songs of choice as it's dual purpose.
Mum, can I use the Bluetooth speaker? Thanks.
Night night, sweet dreams.
Time for bed.